Hello friends, welcome to Prodigy. Press the subscribe button and get more videos. Let's see how to convert AIFF file to mp3 file. This is the AIFF audio file which we are going to convert to mp3 file. For that, just open iTunes and add the audio file to the iTunes library. You can do that easily by drag and drop like this, or you can go to file in the menu bar and click on add to library option, so that a dialog box opens and you have to select the audio file from the desired location like this and click open. Once the audio is added to the iTunes library, click on iTunes in the menu bar and choose preferences, and window will open like this. Click on import settings here. Now you have to choose the option mp3 encoder here like this, and now you have to select the quality for the audio file which will be created, and then you have to check this box so that the audio comes out good and clear. And once it is done, click OK, and again OK in the general settings. Now you have to select the file which you need to convert and click file in the menu bar and choose the option convert. You can see here create an mp3 version. Click on that. That's it. The audio file will be converted to the mp3 format. Here it is. Just drag and drop this into the desktop so that you can check it. Here it is in mp3 format. You can see that. You can also right click it and go to get info option like this. Here you can verify it is in mp3 audio. Don't forget to like this video, comment and share this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. Let's meet in next video.